Yeah, welcome to this tutorial. It's my UX Graphics Creativity Academy. So in this tutorial video, we'll be designing a makeup flyer. So let's get going. Right, the first thing now is to bring in our shape, the shape for this design. So let's go in, click on shape and click on this box here. So let's select this particular one, then click on mark and let's adjust the size. Let's adjust the size of this. Let's make it somehow big and let's change it like this. Let's change it like this. Come over here. You can see what we have now. Let's make it more bigger. Yes, as you can see, okay, I think it's quite cool like this. So the next thing now after doing this is to create another shape, as you can see. So we're gonna make this smaller. Let's make this smaller and drag it over here. So after that, you click on the layer panel here, this particular layer panel, and let's merge the two layers together. Okay, then you can see what we have now. So let's drag back and click on, while still on the layer, you click on texture, click on this and bring in our image to the image, click on it, and this maintain ratio, enable the maintain ratio. You can see what we have now. So after that, we bring in the image again once again from gallery, bring in the image, this image as well. Okay, let's pin this down. So adjust the image size like this. So click on this and let's unpin it. So click on this. So we'll be adding a stroke now. Stroke, enable, click on this side, come over here, click on the image and click on the color of the and then I click on this. Okay, you can see stroke has been added to it. Okay, so now the next thing, we bring this image now. Okay, so this image here. Okay, let's bring in a shape. Okay, so it's the shape now. The shape. Here's the shape. Okay, let's change the color of the shape. Coming over here. Okay, select this color. Okay, then the next thing is to change next thing now is to change the background color. Drag this background color, move over to color now, color, click on this, make it white. Okay, so take this now, let's take this to the back, click onto back. next thing is to bring in our shape. Okay, let's pin this. Let's match this together. Let's match just these two together. Okay, so let's change the shape, the color of the shape now, and maybe the color. Let's make the color black, so we do necessary adjustments. Okay, then you copy this as well. So you bring it down over here. As you can see, okay, copy, drag down. Okay, copy again, then you drag down. Okay, so on the next thing is to align the three shapes. So to do that, you can actually bring in by clicking on this side. You can bring in a ruler to adjust. Bring in a ruler to adjust. This is the ruler. Okay. So it's a bit of adjustments here. Okay, it's cool like this. And after doing this, let's merge these three shapes. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Let's see, 5 first. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So the 3 has been identified. 3. So let's match the 3 together, so we can easily move them. So the next thing now is to let's copy this, so we can have this going. Okay, to the far corner here. Let's take this to the back and then adjust. So okay, shining. Bring the two align together. So the next thing now, let's pin the two. Okay, so let's bring in our tests. Come over to the test panel, bring in the test, and make the test color black. Okay, so let's edit the test. Edit, so we can save, and save. We can save. Okay, so after doing that, you come over to align to the middle. Okay, so let's change the text, the font of this. My font sense leak sparta gold, bold. Okay, so now let's adjust. Let's adjust the color. The color black. Okay, now text again, edit, let's type in, make offsets. Okay, bring this down, then you come over to spacing. Let's increase the spacing. Okay, down to fonts. So let's see these fonts. Let's see this. Let's see how this looks. Okay, I think we should let's increase the size of this. Let's increase the size of this a little bit. Okay, I think it's cool like this. Coming. Let's adjust this a little bit. I think this as well. This as well. Let's check. Okay, then positioning. Okay, so just this up a little bit. Let's bring this to this. Change the font size. So now let's bring another shapes. Okay, let's pin all these down so that they won't be distorted. So let's change the color of the text of the shape. Let's choose this color. Okay, yeah, as you can see. So next thing now is to bring in our text. Is the text, and just say 50% off. Okay, let's make the color of the text white. Okay, let's change the fonts. Percent off. Okay, then I think we still need to adjust this a little bit up. Okay, okay, let's pin this again, and let's adjust this as well. So adjust this as well. Okay, so let's adjust this as well. So let's adjust this as well. You know what? Let's merge these two first. 50%. Okay, let's merge the two so that we can easily move the two together. As you can see. Okay, so now the next thing now, let's pin everything down, and let's come in and test. Edit the test. Just write shop now. So okay, so let's change the fonts of these tests. So let's change the color of the font, and let's change the size of the font of the text. it's quite cool like this. So now let's adjust this particular shape, this shape. Okay, so it's quite cool like this. So now the next thing now is to come over and let's repeat our tests. I just name this beauty home makeup. Okay, and let's look for a suitable font for this. Suitable font for this font. It's kind of, okay, let's see this. Let's change the color, the text color to black. Okay, let's adjust the size of the text. So let's change the color of this text. I think white will be very good. Yes. So let's reduce the size once more, and let's just do the spacing. But I want us to merge all these. Okay, so we can easily move this all together. As you can see, we can move this all together. We can move this all together. Okay. Let's pin this down now. So let's do this. Okay. So let's adjust this a little bit down. So let's adjust this a little bit down. Okay. And you come over to test again. Did the test. Sorry about that. So let's come. Test color. White. The fonts. Okay. Then change the color size. As you can see. So this is the end of the design. Thank you for watching. So the next thing now is to save as image. It's ultra, save to gallery, image saved. So let's save our projects as well. Save as projects. Beauty. Just saved. So thank you for watching. That's the end of the training.